Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to fix a new bicycle tire wobble while the rims you put them on are true. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. It's always appreciated. So on to the video itself. I bought these nice looking gravel tires. They're the smallest width gravel tires I could find on the market, and they're going to replace these Continental Gatorskin, which were a bit too big for the fenders I installed on my Koga Miyata Adventure. If you want to see that video, click on the link in the top right corner. So I knew for sure that the tires are new. And here's a look at the profile with the lines pointing down, so I'm sure is going into the right rotational direction. And what I found was, after I put this folding tire on the rim, which was trued by my local bike shop, bike mechanic, was that it had a wobble. And you can see me here finding the wobble and thinking, okay, how could that be? And if I rotate the wheel, you can very clearly see, boom, boom, there's the wobble. So I knew the tire was new. I knew that the rim was true. So what I needed to do, very simple, was to by hand make sure that the tube, the tire was just evenly spread out across the rim, which wasn't the case. And there's a little, the edge where the bead is that fits in the rim, you can see here. If that is correctly positioned just above the rim, you know that it's right. And after you inflate, and if you inflate it, then the wobble will disappear. You can't just inflate the tire and try to press out the wobble with the hand. That's just never going to work. So with those little pointers, you can see that I was successful in removing the wobble and installing this very nice gravel tire for my restoration project.